Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to social class. Have you all ready for an annual exam? You have enough time to revise the lesson, so don't waste the time. Now, all of you take your social third term book. Take lesson 1, Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. In this session, we are going to revise this lesson. So, listen carefully. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives in the war for independence. After all the hard struggle of our brave freedom fighters, we gained our independence on 15th August 1947. When do we celebrate our Independence Day? Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. When do we celebrate our Republic Day? Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. First on Subramania Bharati. Where was he born? He was born in a village called Ettayapuram. He became the assistant editor of the Swadeshamittan newspaper. He worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Shiva. Name the poems written by Bharatiyar. Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. V.O. Chidambaram. Where was he born? He was born in Tootukurin. He was also called Kappalottiya Tamilan. He started the first Indian shipping company. It was called Swadeshi Shipping Company. V.O. Chidambaram started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company between Tootukurin and Colombo against British ships. Next, Chembakaraman. He met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland, who took him to Austria. Chembakaraman established an organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Chembakaraman coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. Next, Subramania Shiva. Where was he born? He was born in Dindigul. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. What did he start? Subramania Shiva started a monthly newspaper called Jnanabhanu. He wrote many books, namely Ramanuja Vijayam, Sankara Vijayam and so on. Next, Tirupur Kumaran. Where was he born? He was born in Tirupur. What did he start? He started Desabandhu Youth Association. He is called Kodikatha Kumaran. Next, freedom fighter Lakshmi Sahgal. Lakshmi Sahgal was a revolutionary of the Indian independence movement. She was an officer of the Indian National Army. Who is called Captain Lakshmi? Lakshmi Sahgal is commonly called Captain Lakshmi. Next book exercise, choose the correct answer. Where was Bharatiyar born? Where was Bharatiyar born? Good. He was born in Ettayapuram. Where was Bharatiyar born? He was born in Ettayapuram. Second one, Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Kattiinji. Which poem was not written by Bharatiyar? Good. Kattiinji. Kattiindi was not composed by Bharatiyar. Next, Dash is known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. Subramania Siva, Bharatiyar, V.O. Chidambaram. Good. V.O. Chidambaram. V.O. Chidambaram is known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. Next, who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Bharatiyar, Chembagaraman, Kumaran. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Good. Chembagaraman. Chembagaraman coined the slogan Jai Hind. Last one. Who started a monthly newspaper Jnana Banu? Good. Subramania Siva started a monthly newspaper Jnana Banu. Next one, match the following. Desabandhu Youth Association, Dindigul, International Pro-India Committee, Swadeshamitran, Lawyer. Bharatiyar, Tirupur Kumaran, Subramania Siva, V.O. Chidambaram, Chembagaraman. Desabandhu Youth Association. Who started Desabandhu Youth Association? Good. Tirupur Kumaran. So, Desabandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran. Next one, Dindigul. Who was born in Dindigul? Subramania Siva was born in Dindigul. International Pro-India Committee. Chembagaraman started the International Pro-India Committee. Chembagaraman. Next, Swadeshamitran. Who worked as the assistant editor in Swadeshamitran newspaper? Good. Bharatiyar. Next, lawyer. V.O. Chidambaram. Desabandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran, Dindigul, Subramania Siva, International Pro-India Committee, Chembagaraman, Swadeshamitran, Bharatiyar, Lawyer, V.O. Chidambaram. Answer the following. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Subramania Bharati, V.O. Chidambaram, Tirupur Kumaran. Name some poems written by Bharatiyar. Vande Mataram, Acham Illai, Endayum Thayum, Jaya Bharatam. Write about the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. V.O. Chidambaram started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. He is called as Kodigata Kumaran. Children, you should read the lesson twice and study well. Thank you, children.